Yeah.
Hi, my name is Corey Hopper, and today I'm going to be giving a speech on air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of both natural and man-made substances that are in the air we breathe. There are two categories under air pollution, which are outdoor and indoor pollution. The National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences website in 2015 stated that over the past 30 years, researchers have concluded that many health effects are believed to be associated with air pollution disorder. Many of you know what air pollution is, but what you may not know is what really can cause it and what health issues can arise from air pollution. Air pollution is basically happening every day, and we may or may not realize it. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about what causes air pollution and the things we can do to decrease the production of it today. First, I will talk about the production of air pollution. According to an article written on the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences website in 2015, outdoor pollution takes place outside the building environment. Examples include burning fossil fuels, noxic gases such as carbon dioxide, and even tobacco smoke. An article from The Telegraph written by Lauren Dunley on October 25, 2015 states that air pollution is limiting the growth of children's lungs. Children that live in cities with high levels of fumes from diesel vehicles have 10% less lung capacity than normal. Children that intake this air pollution will have an increased risk for diseases such as asthma and bronchitis. Indoor air pollution is the complete opposite of outdoor air pollution. It is being exposed to particulates or other pollutants which are carried by the indoor air or could even be carried by dust. There are many different types of indoor air pollutants. The most obvious one is household products such as air fresheners that could be used daily. Other examples include mold, building materials, and even gases. Next, I will discuss 2 ways air pollution could be prevented. An article written by Elizabeth Smith on SF Gates' website states different ways we can reduce air pollution, with saving energy being the number one. Stated on the site, according to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, saving energy can reduce carbon emissions. Almost all sources of energy are going to burn fossil fuels, which causes the air pollution, which only means the less energy we use will be better in the long run. There are many ways to save energy around the house, with some being more common than others. Using fluorescent bulbs in place of standard bulbs is a very inexpensive way on how to save energy. Also, using a microwave instead of a conventional oven whenever possible is a great way to save energy as well. According to an article on WebMed's website written by Jeannie Davis, the single most important aspect of indoor air pollution is secondhand smoke from cigarettes. Cigarette smoke has over 4,000 different chemicals. Just imagine how much pollution is going into the air after someone smokes one. Research has shown that secondhand smoke will increase children's risk for developing respiratory infections, which means the smoker is taking a risk as well. The smoker will become addicted and can be diagnosed with cancer and even breathing problems. Keeping your house smoke-free is the best decision to make. I will now discuss what will happen if air pollution continues. According to an article on the website Pollution Solutions, it states if air pollution remains, we can only expect our skies to be foggier, which will block out the sun, and our oxygen will be harder to breathe. It is very hazardous to us as humans, but it will also affect agriculture as well. Also, high levels of CO2 in the atmosphere will cause other issues such as raising temperatures, sea levels, and melting of the polar ice caps. It is found that air pollution can cause respiratory diseases including asthma, decreased lung function, and cardiovascular diseases. Living away from big cities where there are less factories and other sources of pollution will lessen your chances on having health issues. As you can see, air pollution is not good for you or the environment and will always have negative effects. Air pollution is a growing problem today on Earth. Pollution is not going away on its own. We need to start taking action and prevent air pollution before it is too late. Now that we know some of the causes of air pollution and some ways that we can prevent it, it is time that we put them to work. My hope is for you guys to help prevent air pollution. Some ways are to reduce the amount of energy that you are using, staying away from household products that contain an ample amount of chemicals. Also, knowing what air pollution could cause to your body should be an eye-opener to you. As stated in the list about air pollution on Conserve Energy Future's website, inhaling air pollution takes away 1 to 2 years of a typical human's life. Knowing this should definitely make you want to make a difference when it comes to air pollution while you still can. Thank you.